Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing today? Awesome. So this is the quick video on the AUDUSD, the Aussie, and this is a popular request by Akim, and we are going to look at it quickly. This was actually a trade that we were opportune to take this week, and we got a few pips on this particular trade. Right. So what I'm going to be doing now is to show you the areas of buy where you could enter the market to buy, and then also the areas where you could enter the market to sell, right? So once you know where to buy and where to sell based on the price action, right, then it's up to you to decide whether you are going to be following the trend or going against the trend, right? And mind you, the trade that we took, I'm just going to quickly show you a screenshot of it just to explain better the chart that we have in front of us. So this is the screenshot, right? As I tend to do most of my screenshots of trades that I took. And over here, we had this area, as you can see. And of course, what we do here is based on support, resistance, supply, demand. We had here as resistance. It broke out with this big, massive candle, and then came out, acted as support here. And then it came out here again, and we're able to get in on this. As you can see, the position buy here was the stop loss that we adjusted to make it a risk-free trade, because trade management is also very important. And then it got to these highs, and then this was where we took our profit. I'm going to show you the follow-up on the charts. As I said, I'm going to be showing you where to buy and also where to sell on this chart now, right? So this was the trade that we took. We had a few good pips here and there on the Aussie. And back to the charts, the live charts, just to show you what's happening now. So this is what's happening now, where we took our profit, right? Where we took our profit was here, as we just mentioned now, and then it has broken out of that area. So I'm going to show you where you would most likely be buying and where you most likely be selling as well, right? One thing I would also tell you, right, for Akim and for everybody watching this, is that this is the major wave now, the major wave up, right? So most likely you want to buy when price comes back to this area, look for your buy position and then take it to push it higher in this manner, right? So here's an area of resistance, then support, and we're waiting for support in order for a buy entry, right? And then also where you want to sell, you'll be wondering, where can I sell, right? Now, if you add like a RSI or MACD, it might most likely give you like divergence. But better still, why not go up a higher time frame, as you can't see anything to the left. If you go up to 4 hours, now it's 1 hour we're looking at, you go up to 4 hours, and then you should now be able to see where the price might most likely be heading to for you to sell. Resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Even though it breached it, it still acted as resistance. So this will be the area for you to look for sell positions. Don't forget, today is Friday, right? And as today is Friday, the markets will be rounding up within a few hours from now, right? And then also go to check the calendar to see whether there's any high impact news coming out today for the dollar or for the CAD. And if you check, you notice that there is no news coming out again, high impact news coming out again this week. So it's till next week. So I would most likely not be looking forward to buying or selling this Australian dollar, US dollar. So the best thing to do is to call it a week, and that's just my own opinion. Only if you want to go and be scalping, probably go to the 5 minutes time frame and then look for opportunities for it to retrace and then get an entry around here and then push it back up. So the choice is yours at the end of the day. I hope this video was helpful, trying to make it as short as possible. If you have any question, if anybody has any question, feel free to ask. And of course, we would reply in one way or the other. Could be a video reply, could be a chat reply, could just be a text reply, or whatever the case might be. So trade safely, guys, if you're still trading this week, Friday, today, and then also make sure you protect your account accordingly. Use the weekend to conduct market review, and trust me, it should help you out at the end of the day. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye, and God bless. Cheers.